Changing the wheels, alternate method for the left wheel assembly. This method only works with the left assembly. Now put the drip pan aside as done previously. Now for this, you may need pliers as well as your included wrench. With the wrench on the shaft flange and the pliers on the lap adapter, turn the wrench away from yourself and the pliers opposite. Spin the lap adapter towards yourself to remove. Replace the used wheels with the new wheels, reassemble the wheels and spacers the same as before.